Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. Only the default applications, in our case, phone app, has access to hidden directories, so you can record calls using your phone application. But in some countries, and in my region too, the laws of these countries prohibit the recording calls. So if your country suggests you to record calls, so you will have here button or call recording under calling accounts button. But I have no this feature here, and if you have no this feature too, so you as me can use third-party applications. I suggest you use Cube ACR application. So you can find any ACR application, but Cube you can use for free, and as you can see, Cube ACR has the best opinion, because this application has 10 million downloads and 4.0 stars. As you can see, yes, it's really great application. As you can see, Call Recorder has 50 million downloads and 40 stars too, so you can try this application too. But I have tested this app and it works, so I will use this app. So you can try another app. ACR means automatic call recorder. So then click open, click next, grant permissions while using allow, enable app connector, then choose Cube ACR app connector, enable, allow, go back, okay, go it, allow. You have no give permissions for your location, so you can grant permissions, but you don't have to provide. Okay, so here we can buy a premium version of this application. But what premium gives us? Cloud backup, app lock, install post-call instant post-call actions, no ads, and more. So we don't need these features. Of course, if you need, you can pay for it, but I think that it's useless. So as you can see, now we can make our calls, and now after calling, if you will open this application, Cube ACR, you will have here your records of the calls. But you need to understand that this application picks the voice only from your microphone. So if you will speaking using internal speaker, of course, in call recording you will hear only your voice. But if you want to hear your voice and the voice of your spelling partner, of your conversation partner, you need to enable external speaker while calling, or just install root access on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.